So I just had this really great idea on how we can kick off such a great partnership with Pineapple Academy. Is why not show you folks how I personally will cut up a pineapple. So I'm going to show you a really cool garnish and also just how to present your pineapple. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our pineapple and then over a bowl, we're going to actually shave it down. So you just kind of go right towards the center at a little slight angle. So we cut the pineapple in half. I'm going to show you how to make 3 cuts out of this one. So tops and bottoms, pretty easy. Then flat side. So we're going to go right behind the pit. And that guarantees that you're not going to have any of the pit left over from the pineapple. Work your way around.